Hey everyone, welcome. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Let's be friends. Let's get into it. So my last video, which may or may not go up because I may or may not have messed up on the audio. We'll see. I'm attempting the bloom technique. So I got this pool. It's for like a doggy pool. It's collapsible, and this cake spinner as Christmas presents. And I've been yesterday and today trying to figure out the bloom technique. So on the previous video, I had gone through, I'm going to use my pillow paint with nothing in it, so it's just semi-gloss wall paint. My pouring medium is 3 parts untinted base to 1 part polyacrylic. I had mixed my paints, this is Liquid-X paints, 1 part Liquid-X to 5 parts pouring medium. It was too thick on the last video, so I've added a splash of water to all the colors. And I've gotten it to the consistency equal to about the 3-second rule. So make a ribbon of your paint into the cup, and within 3 seconds, at the 3-second mark, it should kind of dissipate and you don't see it anymore. Another thing, today is New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year's to everyone watching. This probably won't go up until the new year, but I hope everyone has a fantastic 2022. So let's get started. I've explained what I'm doing, and this is me just trying to figure out a technique. So lots of videos online that I've watched, done my research. So the bloom technique was started by Shelley Art, I think is the lady that created this, and it's been obviously copied. She does training on the course, and people have changed up the pouring medium to something more suitable for them or what they like. So lots to find online, but originally Shelley Art. So I've got my canvas, it's a 10 by 10 taped down. So I'm just making my little pillow of paint a bit wider. Okay, everything's a mess because I just finished my first attempt and realized the paint's too thick. So now the question is, do I go with the same colors or switch it up? Because I've got other colors here. Definitely going with the turquoise, but I've got this magenta here. See, it seems like it's the same thickness, but it's not, I promise. So I'm just gonna pour it in. I love this turquoise. I need to get some squeeze bottles. I've found a 3-pack at my local Dollar Tree, picked them up, and yeah, only picked up one pack. So it's kind of like, well, what's the point of only picking up 1 pack? But I didn't realize when I bought them, I figured I could use them for something in my craft room. I wasn't even thinking for paint. Okay, so that's about 1/3. Got my cell activator. This is 1 part Amsterdam titanium white to 3 parts Floetrol. I know Floetrol is a little hard to get in some areas. I got mine for Christmas. My husband picked it up online on Amazon. Okay. I feel like I need some more cell activator. This is very hard. And I know I had a learning curve with just using the glue wall as my pouring medium. But still, this is fun. I enjoy it. So hopefully you enjoy the videos. Okay, definitely gotta get that turned off. I guess you could say that's kind of like lacing. Like it looks like it is. We'll just give the paint a second to kind of settle back down. But this is looking better than attempt 1 today. I don't know how many attempts I'm gonna do. My paint that I mixed up, I only used 10 grams of paint, but it was 50 grams of pouring medium. Then I've added some water, so definitely got quite a bit of that. Okay, we're still recording. So let's give this a spin. Let's see what happens. You definitely got lacing this go round. Very happy with that. Oh, you can see some of the magenta peeking through. Wow. Okay. I'm a happy girl. Give it some more spins. I want it kind of all off. Some people make these beautiful flowers and I love them, but they're not, it looks like it's so hard to do, so I'm not going to worry about that just yet. Let's get the technique down first. Hopefully I used enough pillow paint. I'll be a little sad if I didn't. Just trying to get over my edges. I'm over 2 of them. 2 of them I am not over. So it's these 2. Those 2 are being troublemakers. I'm loving that magenta, especially next to that turquoise. Oh, I'm almost fully over on that one corner. Wowsies. One more spin, and I think we're good. And I'm getting lacing. Ho-ho! Probably used the, well, I don't know. Like I got lots of cell activator in the center still. Oh, that's looking so pretty. Oh, what do you guys think? I think I'm going to give it one more spin. Well, let me help this along here. It is so much fun to spin this. Yeah, so the gold is very there. You can't miss it. The magenta seemed to just stick on that side. Make sure I'm not going to drip in my lacing that I actually got. And I didn't get the lacing all the way out, but I think it turned out pretty good. I am quite happy with this one. Okay, so more practicing, especially the blowing the cell activator over the paints. It is easier said than done. But what do you think of the colors? I think this is nice and soft, and then it goes to that dark on that side. Really, really liking it. Very, very happy. I'm gonna go again, not on this video, but I got a couple more canvases that I have that are pre-prepped, and I've got paint left, so why not? Let me zoom you in. Probably screaming at me going, zoom in so we can see better. So I know the background is messy. I'm so sorry. Trying not to move you around too much because that can't be super fun. But there, can you see the lacing a bit better on this one? Oh, so pretty. Very, very pretty. I think I've spun enough paint off. I know the turntable looks really messy, and it is. Painting is a messy job. I will tell you that much. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.